minutes. Okay. Hello all. Myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about latest interview questions. Okay. Latest interview questions. Latest IBM WebSphere application server interview questions. Question and answers. Okay. Okay. This is the latest interview questions. First question is this is the questions. This is the first question. This is the first question. Okay. Hi all. Good morning. Good morning. Myself Ganesh, having 7+ years of total IT experience, currently associated with IT organizations. Okay. My roles and responsibilities are first one, installation manager, and installing the VAS product, installing the VAS product and configuration and configuration, creating the profiles, creating the managed and unmanaged profiles, in the version of version 8.5 and version 9.0, both versions we need to create this. Okay. And creating the clusters, that is horizontal and vertical clusters, vertical cluster, and very much interesting in very much interesting in creating the data source, creating the data source in respect to environments like that. In the respect to environments, that is nothing but non-fraud, comma, and fraud environments, and implement the SSL, implement the SSL, implement the SSL implementation, or renewal the SSL certificates and etc. and other versions. Okay. And resolved the VA points, resolved the VA points based on the VA points, based on the VA points, we will resolve, the DDoS attacks and cookieless, cookieless, comma, and session is not secure, session is not secure, not secure, not secure. The waypoints are are the SOC team will be sent the will be sent the waypoints to waypoints to respective teams, okay, respective teams, and work at the 24/7 support supports support. Ninth one, deploy the applications, deploy the application in in prod non in non-prod, comma, prod environments, and after that resolve at the server related issues, either that is start and stop JVM JVM's issues, and TLS related version related issues, TLS version related issues. After that, upgrade the fix pack issues, upgrade the fix pack, and after post fix pack, issues will be resolving. Issue will be resolving, and roll back the fix pack. Roll back the fix pack if application is not properly work. If application is not properly works. Okay, these are the my roles and responsibilities in the current or in my employment. Okay, these are the most important scenarios. Okay, so in this is the more first question, and the second question: what are the daily what's your daily activities? My daily activities: I am logging my shift. I'm logging my shift. We will see in the service node ticketing tool. Ticketing tool, either any pending tickets is available, pending task, okay, it will use task is available, tasks are available, will takes handover shifts, handover tasks, previous shift member, we can take handover from previous shift member, either any tasks are pending or not. Okay, after completing the task, and all and all server related issues and sent and will be send hand over mail to our team members hand over mail and the team members and CC in the manager we will put in CC in the managers. What are the tasks are pending like this? Task name, okay, task number, service now task number, and a priority and a state. You can write the mail here like this. What a mail include like this. Okay, two we can use group mail, group mail, group mail. Okay, you can write like this. We can use our vast team at the rate gmail.com, or we can use IT like this. We can use and CC. You can use manager at the rate gmail.com. We can use and the subject. We can use the subject shift handover mail. Shift handover mail. We can use like this in the real time scenarios. In this, hi team, hi team greetings. You can use this hi team greetings. Today, pending tasks are completed in my shift. In my shift. In my shift. In my shift. Below are the details. Below are the details. You can use task name. Okay. You can use tasks. Okay. We can use like this. We can use don't worry this. Okay. We can like this, and we can put thanks and regards. Regards. We can use like this. Okay. We can use your phone number, and we can use your vast team. Can use vast team. We can use like this. We can send the handover mails to each and every in my shift members. Okay, like this we can use shift handover mail. Okay, like this in the real time scenarios, real time organizations, it will be sent like this. Okay, and the third one, and the third question: how to identify the DDoS attacks and how to prevent it? Okay, okay, we have in we have we have we have SOC team is there. SOC team is there. In the SOC team, in the SOC team, in the SOC team is the key role for this VA points. A point that is nothing but server scan, server scan, server scan either any unwanted attacks are there or not, we can identify and we can troubleshoot, and the SOC team will be send the VA points to their respective team members every 3 months. Will get VA points. In the VA points will get in the VA points. One is one is DDoS, and one is cross-site scripting. One is another one is and another one is Java upgrade. Fourth one is man in middleware attack. Man in middleware attacks. And the fifth one is IP whitelist. IP whitelist. And the sixth one is cookieless. Cookieless. And the seventh one is serverless. Serverless. These are the main scenarios we can use in the SOC team. They will send DDoS and all the things. Based on the DDoS, we can implement the scenarios. I will tell you the some scenario where we get DDoS. Okay, how to prevent? You can search how to prevent DDoS in our websites. Okay, see how to prevent DDoS attacks. The DDoS attack. See in this application layer attack. In this there are some layers are there, right? In the layers there are there are 7 layers, 7 OSI reference model in 7 OSI in the 7 layers in the OSI reference model. In the OSI reference model in the computer networks, in the computer networks, in the all layers, one is application layer, another one is transport layer and network layer, transport layer and transport layer, network layer and a presentation layer, and the fifth one is and the sixth one and the seventh one in this application layer, transport layer, presentation layer, data link layer, okay, data link layer. One is physical layer. Okay, another one is session layer. These are the 7 layers. In the application level, we are getting DDoS attack. Okay, I will show you the evidence. This see in this we have DDoS attack. In the DDoS application layer attacks is there. In the application level, layer 7 DDoS attack create DDoS and target server and network related issues and protocol attacks and volumetric attacks are there. These are the most important. And we can right click. We can use right click. Right click. or we can use here a right click, view page source. In the page source, or not page source, yes, insects. In the insect, it will shows here your cookie is secure or not. Network, say here DDoS and cross-site scripting. Okay, cross-site scripting, fetch, performance, layout shifts, and the memory console and the sources. In this is the IP address. Open file like this. See, we can use network CSS. This is the dummy application, so it will get like this. In real time, we cannot get like this. Okay, in this, so you see, you can use compared layout and use. Okay, in this, you can clearly mention here network DDoS attack and all the things we can use here, cross-site scripting and all the things. Okay, more files, blocked requests. We can use blocked response cookie and third-party cookies. We can use more networks. This is a fast 4G source. Like this, we can identify. We can there scan the server and they identify the request and all the things. So we can resolve the DDoS attacks and all the things. Okay, based on the via point, we can resolve all the things. Now deploy. How to deploy the application? We have two ways to deploy the application, and another one is how to deploy the application. There is several ways. There are several ways to deploy the application. Several ways to deploy the application. Okay, we are commonly used in admin console level, and one more thing, one more step also is there, and one more option is there. One more option is there. That is WS admin script. WS admin script to deploy n number of applications. Okay, n number dot slash WS admin dot sh localhost, or we can use IP address, or we can use host name. You can use localhost or host name of the DMGR and the 8879. In the 8879, you can use the path the ER file, pass the path of the ER file, and this hyphen hyphen bindings. I have that script is there. I will show you that script. We already did this. See, application deploy through scripts. This is I will show you this evidence. This, see, we can run the wsadmin.sh con, and we can use ws and $admin app. This also one step is there. We can, this is one step, and another step also is there. And another step also is there. I will show you another step. This is another step. Say we can use directly dollar admin dot slash admin dot sh hyphen host. This is the script hyphen host local host, my local server local host, or you can use your own server name and a double S and a 8879 we can use here. OPT you can use OPT we can use OPT. Okay, WebSphere and profiles under DMGR and deployment, and so I can use default bindings. Okay, we can use the script to deploy the applications, and one sample I will deploy one sample application. I will deploy one sample application. I have one WebLogic where file is there. I will use calendar.where. In this OP calendar where you can use mv slash home slash wasadmin slash calendar.where and slash opt IBM OPT under the VAS you can use here. So ls under that OPT under the VAS and the calendar dot where is there as where is there pwd. So I will go into OPT IBM WebSphere app server profiles under the DMGR under the bin. We can run the command. We can run the command this localhost w7 under admin app install here. Here OPT under that under the VAS calendar dot where. Okay, under this I will run this same script. It will deploy or not. We can test pwd. I am in the DMGR one and this is the script. I will execute the script. We can use in the backend also. DMGR master should be run the state. DMGR master should be in the run state and means start state. Then we can connecting DMGR. Then we can proceed the steps of installation. See, application is installed successfully. This is the evidence. This is the evidence I will show you. In this, go to the console. You can verify in the console. Go to the console. Go to the applications. We have only one. We have said calendar.where file application is there. Go to the applications. I will zoom it. Don't worry. Go to the application types. Under the WebSphere application server. This is calendar.where is there. Okay. We can start the calendar. Okay. Calendar will be starting. Okay. See, and we can map the modules in the backend. Go to the cluster members. Go to the cluster type and go to the calendar.where and manage modules. We can use cluster and IHS also is there. We can map the both. and select the servers and map the modules. Here web.xml is there. You can use web.xml. See, web.xml is the most important. And save. Save. Okay. This is the latest questions. Okay. This is the way to deploy. So another question is there. What is the question? Another thing. We have two clusters in each cluster. Okay. This is in a IHS level. In the IHS level, you can use what is an issue, how to identify. I will show you. This is the fifth question. This is the fifth question. Okay. The fifth question. In this, go to the plugin cfg.xml. In the plugin cfg.xml, there is transport chain option is there. Transport chain. There is HTTP and HTTP comma HTTPS. We can use a hash symbol, or we can use this. We can use this between the cluster members. Here we can use cluster member one. Okay, I will show you the evidence. This CD OPT IBM HTTP server conf and HTTP d.conf vim HTTP d.conf, and this is the my plugins. Okay, I taken already backup. Take backup before doing the activity. Okay, vim. I will use this. Okay, the transport chain. Say say I will put hash symbol here. Okay, okay, and this also. Okay, after this, I will put all JVMs. Okay, and we can access or not. We can test. Okay, this is my cluster member 3 application accessing port number and all the things. 9084858687 is my cluster members. Okay, okay. Now I will test this. Okay, Okay. So I will restart my servers. Dot slash Apache CTL hyphen K stop PS hyphen F pipe symbol grep HTTPD. Now we can try to access the application under 8081. See, application is not accessing. Now in this scenarios, why application is not accessing? So we can go to the plugin cfg.xml. Okay, in the plugin cfg.xml, we can hide, right? In the we can hide. We can remove this. Okay. Okay. 9086 and 9087 is there. Okay. Still not accessing. So I restart the cluster members. I have only two cluster members I started due to some reasons. I will show you. That also is there. I will show you that. See, the two is stopped, right? So now we cannot able to start. Okay. In this scenario, the two already stopped due to some reasons. Okay. So go to this 9085. Okay. 9084 and 9085. 9084. I'm restarting. Still not accessing. So plugins. I will show you why it's as not accessing. I will show you. There is load distribution is there in the load balancer level. Yes, this is the point of this question is why. Same question. See, we have two clusters, 4 JVMs. Application send request to one JVM in one cluster. What is the issue to identify? Same thing happened in this same scenario is repeated in this my video. Same scenarios. Why means we have load distribution to each cluster members like this. One cluster member is down. We can pass request me cluster member 2. Can use. We can test it here. I will use here. Load is 4. Okay. Here I will put load is 0. And one more thing, I will put here right. See, so I will use here 9084 application accessing, 9085 application accessing, 9086 application accessing, right, 9087 application accessing. So here two cluster members are down. Why it's accessing the application? See, my two cluster members are down. So here go to this, go to another browser, say 8081. URL is not defined. Okay, 9085. Okay, 9084. Okay, say request is 46 also here. One more thing also we can identify here. Load balancer wait to 2 means so 2 request is send the request. Okay, application accessing. Now I will do test here. Okay, I will do test here. clone ID, connection timeout, and maximum connections. I will put to 0. Say like this you can use. Okay, application is you want to stop the request from only one cluster members. You can use this -1. Okay, if you want to send request in only one application server, you can use this. No, okay. Remaining are stopped. Okay, like this you can test in your personal thing. And one more thing is there here. This in this we can go to the server or go to /opt IBM WebSphere under the app server profiles. Under that appsrv01 under that config under the cells under that dmgr underscore cell1 under that nodes appsrv underscore node1 under that servers under that under that we can use here india underscore or we can use test server. In the test server there is ha manager service.xml enable is equal to false. Okay, this is host name lookup. And one more thing is there in the plugin cfg.xml we will use host name lookup false and secure. We can use secure. Okay, like this we can use This is also one option. And one more thing, this is very important question. So how to update JDK? Go to the IBM site, which JDK is suitable for the versions of the VAS. I will show you the sample website. This is the sample website. We can verify here which JDK is suitable for which version. It will show clearly, and we can download from IBM Passport Advantage portal. Say this is which JDK is suitable. We can hear clearly is there. Okay, go to this is the latest version is 8.5.5.26 the fixed spec. Say 8.5.5.26. Select 8.5.5.26. Download fixed spec. On last modified 29 July 2024. Download. It will return here. IBM fixed list and JDK versions. Everything is mentioned here. Okay. This is the problem fix. See, this is we can download the VAS 26. We cannot download without IBM ID. We cannot not able to download this. Okay. Without IBM ID, we cannot able to download. Okay. Here I am also not able to download. Okay. I will show you. Some guys are asking for. Normally we can create the account and we can download IBM packages. See here showing error. Not applicable for IBM support agreement. Found one or more of the products you are selected. Okay. See, you need to contact a reference for this model. This is not correct. Please update your IBM ID profile. Okay. Like this, we can use in the real-time scenarios. Like this, we can use and download. And like this, VAS only. Like this, create one folder under the OPT, MKDIR and Java. Unzip the file or bundle or fixpack or Java Under that, run the command dot and go to installation manager home path, home. Under that, tools, run the command dot slash imcl install offering id com dot ibm dot websphere dot java, okay, java dot v85 hyphen installation directory opt ibm WebSphere app server. Under that, hyphen accept license hyphen show progress hyphen dl opt ibm im shared hyphen repositories opt under the java opt under that java in this repository.config. This is the most important. This is the command to install the java and go to the path where java is there. You can go to the path cd opt ibm WebSphere app server and cd java jre under the bin pwd. We can run the which java version we are using, which patch, which bundle we are using here, that dot slash java space hyphen version. This is the java version 1.8 is the java and this is the bundle. Okay, here 1.8.0 is the java version and 311 is there, 11 is there, that is bundle. In the bundle consists of resolve the problem statements, resolve the fixes in earlier java versions. Like this, we can use the upgrade based on the scenarios. We can update the versions. And one more thing, most important thing, in the server, what is the issue if server is not started after upgradation of JVM? Say same issue is happened in one of the my server. Say my appsrv underscore 02 is not started after upgrading due to known scenarios. I will show you. Verify the system out.log and system error.log. Okay, same thing I will issue. See, I will start my JVM. See, I will start my JVM. Okay, my JVM is stopped. I will start my JVM. See, JVM is not started due to the reasons we can identify. We can expect the issues. Okay, we cannot. We will expect the issues. We can expect the issues. First one is First one is host conflict issues, and host name and IP address. verify in the /etc under the host file. Third one is improper configurations. Improper configurations. Improper configurations. And fourth one, port number not defined in server index.xml file. Verify. And one is network level issues, that is telnet. Verify. Okay, go to the app server /opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles. Under that app server 2, under the logs, under the test server, under that we can use vim systemout.log. There is error. We can find out the error. Say error. Okay, we can find out the error. Okay, go to that above. There is port conflict issue is there or not, we can identify. Say port conflict issue is there. We can identify the port conflict issue. This is the port number is already used socket. Okay, see, address already used 9109. 9109, which port number is used? Okay, this is the latest issues. We can identify after the fix back. We can identify this related issues in the common scenarios in the real-time environment. Okay, list of open files -I 9101. Listen and kill space -9 15540. Not reason, right? Okay, we can start the server. Bin /start server.sh. Okay, identify by using list of open files command, which IP, which port number is used, which process ID we can use. Based on that, we can kill the process and we can run the server by using start server.sh test server. Yeah, server is started, right? Server is started. No issues is reporting. Okay, this is the issues we can identify. Okay, under solution. This is the solution I identified. See, this is the port number is already used. You can use the port number 9019. This is the port number. I can search. This is the process ID using. I killed the process ID by using kill space -9. After that, we can start the server. And one more thing, we can identify Is there any process, tail process are running? So finally a server is started. Say this is the evidence. After this, this is latest interview question. I also never this type of question I am never faced. So in this is this type of question also I never faced this. So I concluded the answer this okay. Suppose I starting one of the cluster have 4 JVMs available. Required to start only 2 JVMs automatically whenever I start the cluster. How to do it? We are prepared one script for this. I will show you the script. Okay, I am preparing my own script under the bin. I prepared here vim startup cluster.sh. This is I prepared myself. This is the script I prepared. See, this is cluster member one. First stop, then start, status, then start and status. Only I given here export start JVM 1 is equal to true. Start as JVM is 2 is equal to true. Only 2 JVMs need to start. Okay, I will execute the script. I will execute the script dot slash startup cluster dot sh. In the cluster, see, in the cluster, all see, cluster member one and the cluster member two is started, and the 3 4 is stopped. Okay, by using the script, it will be start and stop. In the horizontal cluster, also same. Change the server names and you can execute the script. And vertical cluster also same process. If any issues, so please ping me the chat window. First started the cluster member, then status check and go to the cluster member two. Say cluster member two is stop. Refresh. DMJR is start. 1 minute. DMJR is that I will show you. 9101. I think 9101 using DMJR. So we'll change the port number of 9101. Say started, right? Now here slash opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles under the DMGR under bin start server.sh under DMGR. We can use this. This is the latest interview question in corporate interview questions. This is like that. In cluster members we can use like this. Two cluster members. We prepared the script. In the script you can run the script. One cluster member is two cluster member only. We can use. We can start the server. While execute the script, start to cluster.sh, automatically two cluster members only start. There is four cluster members in the JVM. Okay, this is evidence. See, file it. This is port number is already used. I will change the port number here because port number is already used. Config opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles under the DMGR under the config under the cells under the DMGR cell CD nodes under CD DMGR and here server index.xml take backup. Say 9101 already use ORB listening port number, so I will change the port number. One in real time you can ask your team lead or managers, then you can change the port number, what port number they will use. Only port number issue only. So here go to config, go to cells, go to DMGR nodes, DMGR node servers, DMG and here cd DMGR. Under that we can use HA manager service. If not started, we can verify the host name and IP address. Okay, like this, we can verify all the things in all scenarios. We can verify, then we can resolve the issues. Like that, like this, we can resolve the issues. Okay, this is related the issues and all the things. Thank you for watching this. Please share and subscribe the channel. Please share to your friends and family members. Those who are learning WebSphere application server, we can teach. Okay.